Wrong backpack in park. Hello, excuse me.
Yes?
I think you have my backpack.
My backpack? No, this is mine.
My backpack is blue. It has a name tag.
My backpack is blue, too, but no tag.
I have a red water bottle inside.
Wait, yes, here is a red bottle.
See, that is my backpack.
Oh, I am very sorry.
No problem, the backpacks were together.
Yes, I did not look carefully.
Where is your backpack?
Over there by the fountain.
Let's go look.
Yes, here it is. No tag.
Good, now everything is correct.
Sorry for the mistake.
It's okay, I thought my bag was stolen.
No, just a mistake.
Do you come here often?
Yes, every Sunday.
Nice, I like the lake and ducks.
Yes, and the ice cream is very good.
Which flavor is good?
Vanilla or pistachio?
Good, I will try it.
Are you on vacation?
Yes, until Thursday.
You should visit Central Park too.
Good idea. Thanks.
You are welcome. And sorry again.
No problem. Now it is a funny story.
Next time I will put something on my backpack.
Good idea. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Dog not allowed inside cafe. Good morning.
Good morning. Table for one?
Yes, please.
Okay, but is that your dog?
Yes, his name is Paco.
I am sorry. Dogs cannot come inside.
Really? Not even small dogs?
No, it is our rule.
I understand, but he is very quiet.
Yes, but some people don't like dogs.
Do you have outside seating?
Yes, right here.
Can I sit outside with him?
Of course, outside is okay.
Great. Can I see the menu?
Yes, right away.
Do you have coffee with oat milk?
Yes, $2.
Good. One coffee, please, and water for Paco.
No problem. Water is free.
Thank you.
Do you want food?
Yes, bread with tomato.
White bread or wheat bread?
Wheat bread, please.
Okay. 5 minutes.
No rush. I have time.
Here's coffee and water for Paco.
Look, Paco, your water.
Your dog is very cute.
Thanks. He loves people.
Here is your bread.
Thank you for letting me sit outside.
No problem. This way everyone is happy.
I will come back.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Broken fan from store. Good morning.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Yes, I bought this fan yesterday. It doesn't work.
Really? It doesn't turn on?
No, I plug it in. Nothing happens.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here.
Thank you. Yes. Bought yesterday?
Yes.
Did you try a different plug?
Yes, but it doesn't work.
Then it is broken.
Can I exchange it?
Of course. We have the same fan here.
Can we test this one now?
Yes. Here, look. This one works.
Yes, I hear it.
Do you want this one?
Yes, please.
Do you want extra warranty? 1 year for $5.
Yes, I will take it.
Okay, here is new receipt.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome.
Do you have bigger fans?
Yes, for $39.
Not today, maybe later.
No problem. We are open every day, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Good, thanks.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Bye. Cold soup at restaurant. Excuse me.
Yes, sir. Is there a problem?
Yes, my soup is cold.
Oh, I am very sorry.
Can you make it hot?
Yes, right away. I will take it to the kitchen.
Thank you. I wanted it hot.
Usually it is hot. This is strange.
Maybe it waited too long.
Yes, we are very busy today.
Yes, all tables are full.
It is lunchtime.
But it smells good here.
That is our fish soup.
Great. I like fish.
Here you go. Now it is hot.
Yes, I see steam. Thank you.
Do you want bread?
Yes, please. With olive oil.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, my friend told me about this place.
Nice. We are famous in Chicago.
What is the daily special?
Today, it is $12, includes dessert and drink.
Very good.
For dessert, we have pudding or fruit.
I will take pudding.
Good choice.
The soup tastes very good now.
Good, I am happy.
Thank you for the fast help.
You're welcome. We want happy guests.
I am happy. I will come back.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Room not cleaned at hotel. Hello.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, my room is not clean today.
Really? Which room?
Room 208.
That is strange.
I left at 10 a.m. I put the sign on the door.
I will ask housekeeping.
Thank you. I need clean towels.
Do you want new sheets, too?
Yes, please. And empty the trash.
One moment. Yes, there was a mistake. They thought you were in the room.
But I was not there.
I am sorry.
No problem. Can you clean it now?
Yes, in 10 minutes.
Good. I will wait in the bar.
Okay, would you like free coffee?
Yes, please. A latte.
I will tell the waiter.
The bar is downstairs by the pool?
Yes, exactly.
Perfect.
We will call you when the room is ready.
Thank you.
Of course. How long are you staying?
Until Sunday.
We will clean your room every morning.
Very good.
We will call you soon.
Thank you for the fast help.
Thank you for your patience.
See you.